I'm honestly just going to freaking cut my hair, like whatever. What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, as you can see, my hair is looking laid. I'm so happy with the way it came out. So today I'm going to be cutting / trimming. I saw some of you guys on Instagram when I mentioned I was going to cut my hair, you're like, cutting or trimming? So y'all called me out. Of course I'm not like full on cutting, but I did trim a good amount off, and I did give myself some front layers, which I am really happy with. Like, look at how pretty this looks. I was really inspired by I was watching the Kardashian show, and I was really inspired by a hairstyle that Kim Kardashian had, and then I saw Desi have the same hairstyle, so I was like, it's a sign. I need to do it. Okay, the battery on my light literally just died, so I had to go replace it. But yeah, for those of you, some of you are probably cringing, but I've literally been doing this for years. I've been cutting my own hair, and my hairdresser is really cool. She helps me and gives me tips a lot of the time. And like I said, she gives me tips, so I'm gonna share those tips in today's video. I literally feel like, you know when you come out of the hair salon and your hair has that super soft, silky feel, and you're like, how do they get my hair so silky? Because when I do it myself, it never comes out so silky. I'm telling you, I have that feeling right now. Like, my hair is so like pressed and like sealed and smooth and silky, and I owe it all to this product. I want to give a huge shout out to Coco and Eve for sponsoring today's video. I have been obsessed with their hair mask and their hair elixir. I'll get into this in a minute, but their hair mask is so incredible and it smells so delicious. My hair literally, it lingers in my hair for days and days. You guys know I only wash my hair once a week, so it's important for me to use products that are really gonna make my hair smell fresh and good, and this does the job. But I'm telling you, it leaves my hair so smooth. It is so easy to comb out your hair afterwards. You'll notice you get way less tangles just because your hair is not as dry. Your hair is soft and silky, so brushing it out is so much easier. I just got a new tub because I just ran out of my other one. So I'm gonna show you guys a little clip of me applying this on my hair last night. Literally all I do is I grab a nice big bunch, and you wanna make sure to get it from root to end and all throughout your hair. And I don't know if you guys noticed, but I don't have that much like frizzy baby hair sticking out, and that's really because this does help with frizz as well. So again, this is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Super Nourishing Coconut and Fig Hair Mask, and I'm just completely obsessed. I'm so happy to share this with you guys because this has my hair feeling so soft and smooth. You're gonna see me use it after I cut my hair before I straighten it, and I'm telling you, this gives you that professional salon silky touch. Like, I have been to the salon so many times, and every single time afterwards, I'm like, how do they get my hair so smooth? Like, why does it feel different at home than it does when you come out of a salon? This gives you that salon professional, just like soft, silky, bouncy hair. So I'm obsessed with this. It's pretty much a hair oil. Again, this is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Miracle Hair Elixir. And all you need is just a tiny little drop, rub it around your fingers, put it on the ends, and it is incredible. Also, it is sulfate free, which is really important. If your hair is colored, you don't want to be using hair products with sulfates in it because it will drain out the color in your hair. It'll also dry out your hair. So this is 100% sulfate free, 100% vegan, and cruelty free. So I love that. So if you guys are interested in these products, I will leave my link down below. It is an affiliate link, so thank you guys in advance if you do choose to support me and shop through there. I will also leave my coupon code and any discounts that I have in the description box down below for you guys to shop and check them out. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I cut my hair today and got this laid and slayed little at-home trim, kind of like semi front layered hair, I don't know why I'm dragging this on, yeah, then continue watching. You guys, look at how crazy my hair looks. I'm actually really starting to just like notice how nice and wavy my hair is, and I think I'm gonna start playing around with just seeing how it would look one day if I leave it natural. But I do really need to trim my hair. My split ends are just not cute. They're not looking good, and all of the salons are actually closed here in Canada. Plus I always cut my hair by myself anyways, so I've done this before, not the first time. I keep scissors on hand. Also, if you guys see how bad my nails are, nail salons are also closed in Canada, so there's that. Anyways, I'm not taking much off today. This is my hair right now. It is like a couple inches past my boobs. It's honestly pretty much at my waist right now, and I love it. I just love long hair. I've cut my hair before to like here, to like a nice like chest lengthish, and I just, no, like I just really missed my long hair, so we are keeping it long. Just need to cut the split ends. I also get so much questions on my color. This is actually all my natural color. Literally from here to here is all root. Like this is all my natural hair color. I just have some leftover like dye at these like ends. I would say from like here. You can kind of see where the color difference is almost a little bit. My ends are like a little bit warmer. So yeah, most of this is just all my natural hair color. Also, sorry if I just seem like super meh. It's literally because it is dead ass 10 a.m. you guys. I don't know what is up with me the last few weeks. I'm waking up at like 8:39 a.m. Who am I? Like normally right now at 10 a.m. I would still be fast asleep. I don't know who I am. But I'm gonna cut my hair in the middle. Now in the middle would be like right here, but because I have like this awkward little widow's peak, to make it look more centered, I kind of cut the widow's peak in half. And then it'll make it look like it's like more middle part, you see? I'm actually going to wet my hair. So I have this really nice mist bottle. I love this mist bottle. I even use it to like mist my plants in my house. It's really nice. I've been wanting like a little bit of layers in my hair. Nothing, obviously, I'm not doing like full layers because I'm not trying to be ambitious today and then mess up my hair. I've done that before in the past. Last time I tried to do layers, it was not good. So now what I will do is I'm just going to section off my hair right at the ear. And honestly, all I do is follow what haircut I already have. And you're gonna need a brush like this. I have had this brush literally for years, you guys. I got it from Sally's like so long ago, but I will link it on Amazon. Or you could just go to Sally's and pick one up. But then I will literally just take my hair and follow what cut I already have. So you wanna go through it and make sure everything's like flat, you know, like no tangles, no, you know? And then once you have it super flat like this, you can take it in between your fingers. And I don't know how much I'm gonna cut off today. Let's do like this. Like we're not doing a lot, you know, we're trying to stay like long. And you literally just cut it straight. And then this is where my hairdresser gave me a really good tip, because years ago when I used to do this, she'd be like, okay, you did a pretty good job, but it looks a little choppy. So she was like, how are you doing it? And I explained to her and she's like, okay, you need to do it like this. So when you cut it like that, you just gotta go in it. And you see how it's like a straight line? Do this. And then do this. Just go into it like this. Just a little bit, nothing crazy. And that will stop it from looking choppy. You can also do that at the end because it is easier to do once dry. When you're cutting your hair like one length, it's really easy to trim your hair. It's when you want to start doing layers where it gets tricky. So I don't suggest doing layers unless you're pretty experienced. Now I will take the side that I already cut and use it as like a guide to now cut the other side. So if I hold it up, I can see I need to cut it until here. They're now at the same length and no more split ends. It looks really good. And then now what you'll do is just go ahead, like literally it doesn't even take long. Like I think the whole process takes like 15 minutes. Now you take another piece of hair. Now I can see already that this hair is shorter. So when I used to have my hair literally all one length, I would just take this whole piece down and just trim it together. But I kind of have layers from when my hairdresser did it. So I can see that this piece that I just took down is the same length of what I just cut. So I'm gonna actually want to cut this. Yeah, I changed my mind. I'm actually just gonna keep it all one length and then do a little bit of layers on the front. And then when I can actually go to the hairdresser, I'll probably get a couple layers. So I'm gonna take that second layer now, the one that's from above my ear to my brow area. And at the end, I'll always pick up everything, go through it with the brush and see how it looks. Pick it up. See how everything looks. Everything looks good. I just have a couple random pieces sticking out here. You're literally just following the haircut that you already have. Like, it's so easy. Okay, now my hair is pretty much trimmed and it already feels so much better, like no split ends. I'm gonna take this huge chunk again and go through it. Just to lighten it up and so that it isn't choppy. Okay, now time for the layers. So I wanna do like one short layer right here. And then another short layer right here, and then another one down here. So let's grab like this first. I would say right here. I could start cutting it right here and just do an angle. There we go, that's what I'm talking about. It's always harder to do the other side because I'm not left-handed, but I try my best. I can tell this one is longer. It is definitely harder to do it on the other side, but I did it. See how good that looks? Now I want another one like here. I honestly really hope like at the end this all looks good because, honey, I am doing it. I am honestly just going to freaking cut my hair, like whatever. I don't know, I think I only feel safe doing 2 layers. I said I was gonna do 3 at the front. We're sticking to 2. But that looks good. All right, you guys, so now it is time to flat iron. I'm gonna put in some of the Coco and Eve Elixir. Just literally the smallest amount, rub it around, and put it on the ends. My hair really isn't that damp, so I'm not gonna bother blow drying it or anything. I think the only thing I'm gonna do is, you see this, like you got this first layer, then this second layer. I'm thinking of just like blending it a little right here. See, just a little. Favorite flat iron ever. I actually ended up trying the Dyson, I forgot what it's called, but it's like the Dyson cordless straightener, and I really did not like it. Honestly, such a waste of money. I literally have it and I don't use it. That's how, like, you would think that since you have it, you know what, whatever, you would just make use out of it. No, I don't like it that much, where I prefer to just not use it. It literally sits in my cabinet and I don't know what to do with it. I just found it heavy, and not only was it a little heavy, it was actually more annoying than having a cord. It was more annoying having to plug it in to charge it, and it really didn't straighten my hair that good. I had to like pass through each strand like a million times, whereas with this flat iron, I'm good passing through it just like 2-3 times. And what I'm gonna do at the end is curve it. So you can see I'm just pushing it in, and see, it's nice and flipped. And this is a thick piece of hair too. And like this T3 flat iron will go right through it. It's my absolute fave, and I've had it for years. I just want to really hold it slowly on the ends, and it will flip, as you can see. You want to slowly run it through, curve it, and flip. Look how good that looks. And now time to flip the ends of the front. All right, you guys, I feel like my hair looks really good. I love the little front bangs slash front layers. I feel like it's just soft and pretty and it's not too much layers going on. I didn't want to do too much layers because I don't know, I'd rather get that done professionally. But I love it. I feel like it looks really good. So hopefully you guys enjoyed just watching me cut my hair. I haven't done it in a little while. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I might put on some makeup and take some pictures. I don't know. But that is pretty much it. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. And of course, I will see you in my next one. Bye guys. Mwah.